If I can get up on the bench or not, I think I might be too short.
Mr. Mojo got on there.
Maybe. Okay.
Get in the chair so we can try.
Oh, I wanted you to take a picture. That was your photo.
No, we're videotaping you.
Oh, okay.
She's gonna be hilarious. She's gonna be all over the internet.
So good. What you doing? Alright, yeah, but the butt is the problem. Are you ready?
Curtis, come on, Curtis, get her. Curtis, you can scoot up. Just Curtis, you can be in behind the table, not there. You can scoot up.
It's just because I'm prepared. He's missing.
Oh, Curtis.
How much does it cost per turn?
Dude, go.
How much is 5? No! 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 No!